Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to encapsulate a stone in epoxy resin to create a modern table. A big part of this process is exactly the same as the one we use in the carbon fiber table. So take a look at it if you are not sure about how to proceed. And now let's get started. First, we stick to the stone some nuts filled with wax. You might not understand this part of the process yet, but you will. Then we use Resoltec 1070 in a mixing ratio of 100:45 and stir it together. After that, we apply the mixture gently to the stone until it is completely covered. This step is important to seal the porosity of the stone. Once this is done, we use a welding torch to remove the air bubbles and we let it dry while we prepare the box where we are going to pour the resin. For this, we use some plywood and some plasticine. When the stone is ready, we will sand it down. This step was already covered in previous tutorials, so we will skip this part. We place the stone in the wooded box and outline the silhouette to make sure it's well placed. Then, we put a Teflon sheet under it to prevent the nuts from getting stuck to the plywood and add a layer of Kimley's 15 and another one of water shield to ensure the proper release of the piece. We place the stone and begin pouring the resin. We use Resoltec WWA in a mixing ratio of 100:50. Make sure the box is slightly tilted. This will prevent bubbles from getting trapped under the stone. When the resin has reached a certain thickness, you can lie the box horizontally and keep adding resin until the desired level is achieved. Let everything dry and remove the box. Now it's time to begin with the sanding process. Again, we won't cover this step in this tutorial. The only difference here is that we use Mirka's Polarshine 25 for the polishing part. We clean the piece with some soap and water to get rid of the dirt, and then we dry it with a clean cloth. Finally, we remove the wax inside the nuts and use some screws to attach the stone to the table. And that's it. I hope you find it useful. Let us know in the comments below if you have done something similar using these techniques. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe and activate the notification button. I will see you in the next video.